There we go. Yeah, come this way.
This is gigantic.
Shield lift, that just shows up to a shield lift there.
Okay, that's a shelf lift in there. Wow. Oh my god. I've lost the guy. Oh, here we go, sorry.
Magazine.
I'm getting confused everywhere. Oh my god. Wow. This is amazing. Just keep going. What they're for? I don't know. Oh wow. Whoa. 80 mil. 80. That's amazing. I'm sorry?
Is your boy doing any flying teams on singles?
Yeah, he's qualified already, but he has his march out on Friday.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And he actually, he got selected to go to 2R8R.
2R,
Yeah, which is the Marines
okay.
for us. So that's up in Townsville. So yeah, we flew across here on Tuesday, and I've just been exploring all the forts and well, this is the first fort. Naval store. Wow. And there's more. There we go. That's a complex there. Time gun. Exit. Okay. I need to get back. That's pretty cool. I'm not meant to be here, so I'm just wandering quickly. That is really cool. I didn't realise how big it was. I thought it was just like a little fort on top of it. Jesus. Looks like another magazine. Oh, that must have been the way they used to pick it up, yeah. See, the shell would have went on there, lifted it up in the magazine. Come in here. Oh, I'll take one. Imagine trying to get that on the plane. Where am I now? Okay, no, it's this way. Another lift coming from the downstairs. That's pretty cool. Oh, shelters and detachments. think it's it. Need a bit of water. Can't see shit. Oh, there's a gate there. Oh. Alright, let's go back out. Oh no. And that's the reason why he said to me I shouldn't be in here. God, I hope I get locked in. Oh shit. I think I'm locked in.